Wakanda forever! Wakanda forever! Wakanda forever! Ever! Wakanda warrior in Shanghai, China. Sunny, the Black Panther. Preparing early for the Black Panther premiere in China, which won't be until March 8th, March 6th, March 8th. So Sunny and I are planning on inviting friends, inviting some teachers, and going to the opening premiere together. So Sunny, who's on your list so far for the Black Panther premiere in China?
So let me see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14.
14 guests? Is this your updated list? Oh, look at that. Who are those people?
Emily, Tanya, Richard, Thomas.
Filming from Shenzhen, China, getting ready to see the Black Panther premiere. I know it's coming out everywhere else a month ago, but it's just coming out today on March 9th. So we're excited. We're going, and we've got a group of people going with us who you'll see soon. They're going to meet us at the Hard Rock Hotel, and then we're going to go and enjoy the film. All right, we'll get back to you. Son. Hard Rock. What? No! Oh my goodness. What did you say? No, I'm not. Huh? All right. So Sunny, now we're heading over to the movie. It's a new path. Okay, here we go through the Mission Hills Mall, finding our way to the IMAX theater close by. Okay, entering the theater. Right here, Sunny. Concession stand. No, 不敢，他就。